Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the top most useful Amazon kitchen finds that will amaze you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video.
The Aroma Housewares ASP 137 Grill A 3QT 3-in-1 Cool Touch Electric Indoor Grill. Portable is a versatile addition to any kitchen, offering a range of features that make it stand out from traditional indoor grills. One of the standout features of this product is its removable parts, which make cleaning and maintenance a breeze. The ability to easily disassemble the grill plate ensures that users can keep their appliance in top condition without hassle. This electric indoor grill comes in an elegant white color that can easily complement any kitchen decor. The use of aluminum as the primary material not only provides durability, but also ensures even heat distribution for consistent cooking results. Aroma Housewares, a trusted brand known for its quality kitchen appliances, offers this 3-in-1 grill with dimensions of 12.8 inches in diameter, 13.38 inches in width, and 7 inches in height. With a wattage of 1200 watts, this grill packs enough power for efficient cooking.
The Brima Fruit Infuser water bottle is an excellent choice for those looking to stay hydrated in a refreshing and healthy way. Made with high-quality Eastman Triton material, this 32 Oz large bottle is both durable and BPA-free, ensuring a safe drinking experience. The Fruit Infuser feature allows you to add your favorite fruits to infuse your water with natural flavors, making it easy and enjoyable to stay hydrated throughout the day. The clear color of the bottle adds a sleek and modern touch, while the 32-ounce capacity ensures you have an ample supply of water to keep you going. The wide mouth design makes it easy to add ice cubes or clean the bottle, adding to its convenience. Whether you're at the gym, in the office, or on the go, the Brima Fruit Infuser water bottle is a stylish and practical choice to help you meet your hydration goals. Stay refreshed and energized with this reliable Fruit Infuser water bottle by Brima.
The Aroma Digital Rice Cooker by Aroma Housewares is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance suitable for individuals and families of any size. With a capacity of 2 quarts, this rice cooker offers a perfect solution for cooking fluffy and delicious rice with minimal effort. Measuring 8.63 inches in diameter, 9.25 inches in width, and 8.5 inches in height, the compact design of the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker makes it easy to store in any kitchen space. Its corded electric power source ensures consistent and reliable performance, while the hand wash care instructions simplify the cleaning process. This rice cooker by Aroma Housewares combines functionality with convenience, allowing users to enjoy perfectly cooked rice every time. Whether you're a busy professional, a homemaker, or a cooking enthusiast, the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker is a valuable addition to your kitchen appliances collection. Experience the ease of cooking delicious rice dishes with the Aroma Housewares Aroma.
The Ecolution Universal Lid for pots and pans is a versatile kitchen accessory that offers both style and functionality. Crafted from durable glass, this black lid from the renowned brand Ecolution is designed to fit various pots and pans with ease. The universal size of 9.5 inches in length and 12 inches in width ensures a perfect fit for most standard cookware in your kitchen. This lid not only provides a clear view of your cooking progress, but also helps to lock in heat and moisture for delicious results. The sleek black color adds a touch of elegance to your cookware collection, making it a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. Whether you're simmering sauces, steaming vegetables, or cooking your favorite dishes, the Ecolution Universal Lid is a versatile tool that enhances your culinary experience. Its sturdy construction and practical design make it a must-have accessory for any home chef looking to elevate their cooking game. Overall, the Ecolution Universal.
The Crockpot Electric Lunchbox by Crockpot offers a convenient solution for individuals seeking a reliable and efficient way to enjoy hot meals on the go. Its sleek black licorice color and durable plastic and metal construction make it a stylish and practical choice for everyday use. With compact product dimensions of 6.6D into 6.6W into 6.5 of H and a lightweight item weight of 0.72 kilograms, this lunchbox is easy to carry around, fitting perfectly into your bag or briefcase. Despite its portable design, it boasts a generous capacity of 1.3 pounds, allowing you to pack a satisfying meal for your day. The crockpot electric lunchbox operates at 1500 watts with a voltage of 120, ensuring fast and efficient heating to warm up your food quickly. Additionally, the rectangular shape of this lunchbox maximizes space efficiency, making it easy to store in various settings. Furthermore, the dishwasher safe feature of this lunchbox simplifies the cleaning process, saving you time.
The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. Mini Electric Pressure Cooker by Instant Pot is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers a convenient and efficient cooking experience. With a capacity of 3 quarts, this pressure cooker is ideal for preparing meals for small families or dinner parties. Constructed with durable stainless steel material and complemented by a sleek stainless steel black finish available in both chrome and matte textures, the Instant Pot Duo combines style with functionality. Its compact product dimensions of 11.2 inches in diameter, 11.4 inches in width, and 10 inches in height make it suitable for kitchens with limited space. One of the standout features of this pressure cooker is its dishwasher-safe design, offering easy cleanup after preparing delicious meals. With a wattage of 700 watts, this appliance provides sufficient power for efficient cooking. At 8.7 pounds, it strikes a balance between sturdiness and portability. Using the touch control method, the Instant Pot.
The Oxo Good Grips 3-piece plastic mixing bowl set in cadet blue is a practical and versatile addition to any kitchen. Made of sturdy plastic, these mixing bowls are durable and lightweight, making them easy to handle and maintain. The cadet blue color adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor, while the tower gray and jade colors offer options to suit different preferences. One of the standout features of this bowl set is its dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup a breeze after preparing your favorite recipes. The set includes 3 different-sized bowls, providing flexibility for a variety of cooking and baking tasks. The nesting design allows for convenient storage optimizing space in your kitchen cabinets. The Oxo brand is known for its high-quality kitchen products, and this mixing bowl set is no exception. The non-slip bases ensure stability during mixing, while the wide lips make pouring easy and mess-free. Whether you're whisking ingredients for a cake or tossing.
The Charbroil Patio Bistro. True infrared electric grill is a sophisticated addition to any outdoor cooking setup, marrying convenience with precision. Crafted by Charbroil, a leading brand in the grilling industry, this electric grill stands out for its excellent performance and innovative features. Measuring 24.4 inches in diameter, 25.2 inches in width, and 38.2 inches in height, this grill offers ample cooking space while maintaining a compact footprint suitable for patios and small outdoor areas. The sleek black color adds a touch of elegance to its design, making it a stylish choice for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the Charbroil.
Ideal for home chefs and cooking enthusiasts, the VOR Red Fat Separator is a game-changer in the kitchen, crafted from high-quality aluminum. This kitchen tool stands out with its durable build and efficient functionality. The striking red color adds a touch of elegance to your cooking space, elevating your overall culinary experience. With product dimensions of 8.5L into 8.5 VOD into 6.5 H, the VOR Red Fat Separator boasts a practical size that is easy to handle and store. Its user-friendly design ensures seamless operation, making it suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. This fat separator simplifies the process of removing excess fat from gravies, soups, and sauces, allowing you to create healthier meals without compromising on flavor. Whether you are a professional chef or a home cook, this stylish red fat separator from VOR is a must-have addition to your kitchen arsenal. Say goodbye to greasy dishes and hello to delicious, well-balanced meals with the VOR.
The simple Houseware expandable kitchen drawer. Flatware organizer is a versatile and functional product that caters to a wide range of needs. Made of durable plastic in an attractive gray finish, this organizer is designed for multi-purpose use, whether for organizing cosmetics, jewelry, or kitchen items. One of the standout features of this product is its expandable design, allowing users to customize the organizer to fit their specific space requirements. This flexibility makes it ideal for use in various settings, from small drawers to larger storage spaces. The lacquered, brushed, powder-coated, and painted finish gives the organizer a sleek and modern look that will complement